Ooh, wait a minute. Let me just go ahead and get my drink. Well, hey y'all. Hold on. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kai Rashawn. Now for today's video, I will be doing my nails because my nails are looking busted, dusted, and crusted. You hear me? Okay, and they can't be trusted. They belong in jail. Okay, lock them up. Okay, put them away, throw away the key, because I can't go out like this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get these joints together using my handy dandy press-ons. And I will be showing you guys some new products that I got from Amazon to get my hands and nails together because I'm stepping it up. You hear me? Who needs a man to massage your hands? I don't, okay, because I got a massager. You hear me? But as always, before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I'm so close to 100K subscribers, y'all. I'm trying to hit it before the end of the year. If you take anything from this video or just, want to stick around a little bit, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you like what you see in this video, give this video a thumbs up so you can see more of it in the future. Okay, let's go. Okay, so like I said, we're doing nails today. I'm using my nail remover first to make sure my nails are all good to go. They are a little janky. I haven't worn my press-ons since I came back from Hawaii. So I want to make sure I get my nails prepped and ready to go. That's the main thing is, prepping your nails. A lot of y'all be telling me still after all these years that your press-ons be popping off and you don't understand why. Listen, prep goes a long way, okay? This joint is strong. What is this? 90%? This is 100%. Okay. And I'm going to use my nail clipper just to get my nails pretty much even. I just want to cut them down a teeny bit. Get this all cut up like this. Okay, next up, I'm going to use my little drill here, my little nail drill that I got from Amazon so we can get my nails together. Ooh, this is fancy, right? Yeah, I know. It does come with some additional little sanders here, but it does come with one ready to go, so you can just pop her out the bag, pop them tags. Okay, so first up I will be sanding my nails. Okay, so forward and backward. Okay, so I want a little green. Speed it up, slow it down. Wait a minute, I feel like it was still getting faster. It even has a light on it. So this is fancy, I like this. Now, if you have watched my previous videos, you know that I have used my emery board numerous times. Nothing is wrong with this, but I wanted to try to be a little fancy today and use the mechanical joint. I wanna make sure I get real close and neat around my cuticles so I know I gotta use, my different tools to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna buff my nails down. Okay, gonna pop the other one on. Is that how you do it? Just like that? Okay, let's wipe them down one more time. Okay, now for the massager. I'm so excited about this, y'all. Who needs a man? I mean, I do. I like to have mine around, but when he's not around to massage my hands, I can use this, okay? So this little baddie right here has 3 different modes. You got full hand, fingertips, and palm. Okay, so I'm gonna do the fingertips first, which is the purple colors, and then you also have like a little heat joint over here, so if you wanna, get a little warm massage, you can definitely do that. I ain't using no oils today, so I ain't worried about that. I just wanna get my, I wanna get my fingertips rubbed. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, switch it to purple. There we go, there's purple. Okay, y'all can't really see it, but I'm gonna put my hand in here like this. Ooh, oh, wait a minute. Okay, let me just go ahead and get my drink. It speeds up and everything. Y'all hear it? It's getting to work. Oh, that was nice. Excuse me while I do the other one. Okay, so now we are back. My hands are rejuvenated. I am ready to put on my press-on. Bam. Okay, here we go. So these are from Salon Prefect. They are from the Modern Art collection. I will be using my Kiss Pink Gel Nail Glue. Now, if you are not a fan of the glue and you want to keep your nails on for longer, you can definitely pick up the UV LED lamp and the nail glue that I got from Amazon. This actually holds your nails really, really well. I have not personally tried it yet, but I know my girl Gladys has tried it, and I'm pretty sure Brittany has tried it as well. Only reason I have not tried it yet is because I have not looked up how to get the joint off. And y'all know me, I like changing my nails out, pretty quickly. I can't play around with this gel glue if I can't get the nails off, okay? So that's why I like to use my Kiss Pink nail glue, because I can just kind of pop mine off when I'm ready and going about my business. But next month I will try the gel glue for you guys, okay? Okay, so let me go ahead and shape out my nails really quick. Make sure I can get the ones that fit my hands. All right, so I got my nails all situated. Now let's go ahead and put these joints on, starting with the pinky nail first. So a little dab of glue on the nail. Come on out, Cletus. and then a dab of glue on my actual nail. Okay, smear that joint around. Don't be scared of the glue. Some of y'all be scared of the glue. Don't be scared. Okay, don't be scared. Place it at the base and lay it flat. Now I do the sliding method as well. I do whatever, you know, I feel like doing. Because this one does have like a small design, the air bubbles won't show too much through the nail, so I'm not too much worried about which method you use. I don't think I gotta file any of these down, so I mean, that's cool. Now for your thumbs, you want to make sure you get all around the sides, because my thumbs are normally the ones that pop off first. And normally because the fit is wrong, they're too flat. So I gotta make sure the curve goes all the way around my thumb. That one left an air bubble. I ain't put enough glue on that. Dang it. I guess my thumb just want to have air bubbles today. Okay, so that's how those are looking right now. Let's go ahead and file the tips just to make sure, you know, they even. Sometimes the press-ons have those tabs on the end. I'm gonna take it and file my sides as well. I don't wanna have a lot of glue, you know, stuck on my sides. Let me get a cotton round, get all this glue off my fingertips. I mean, it's not a lot, but you know, it's enough that I can feel it. Let me put some lotion on my hand before I do my cuticle oil. Now I'm going to use my cuticle oil from Amazon. Click it up. Make sure my cuticles are taken care of. Let's click it up some more. Okay, and we are done, y'all. You can't really see my design because of my this little thing right here. Hold on, let me put this down so you can see. I want you to see my design. Look, look. So yeah, up close and personal, y'all see it. Okay, y'all see it. Now we styling and profiling. Now I tried to find these exact press-ons on Amazon and I couldn't, but I'm gonna keep looking. So if I do find them, they will be linked down below and in my Amazon store. But everything else that I showed in this video today will be in my Amazon store. So if you guys wanna check it out, you can. I feel like doing a little giveaway, so guess what? I am. So I'm going to choose 3 winners at random from the comment section down below to win a $50 gift card from Amazon so you can shop and get yourself that massager. Okay, you need that massager. Or just some more press-ons and some other tools, okay? I will post the winners on my communities tab at noon on Wednesday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Again, I will be picking the winner from the comment section down below. And don't be giving me no generic comments, okay? Don't be giving me no, oh, hey, good to see you. No, I want to comment about the video. Hold on, let me get my, I want to do some ASMR. Do you want to win a giveaway? Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.